behalf of Global Food, which are the producers of Al Arish and Arctic Gold brand of products, we are grateful to ESMA, we are grateful to the Ministry of Environment and Water and His Excellency Dr. Rashid bin Fahd for gracing the occasion to give us the award today. Halal is very important to us and to all Muslims around the world. The Muslim market, as the Minister said, $2.5 trillion by the end of 2020. We are part of it in terms of frozen foods, and we are grateful to ESMA for defining the standards which are acceptable by all OIC countries. We comply those standards, but not only that, one of the values of Al Batha Group, where global food industries belong to, one of our values is going beyond norms. So we don't only rely on the certificates of the slaughterhouses, but we also go and inspect every year the slaughterhouses from where we import the raw materials. We are grateful to ESMA again, and we look forward to relationship with ESMA to improve and to increase so that the halal industry in Dubai and in UAE has more trust all over the world.
Standards is about building trust in consumers and in customers. So for us was critically important to raise the bar and making sure that our brands, Al Arish and Arctic Gold, meeting those highest standards, winning more trust across the markets we operate. So again, I'm very thankful for all the support and guidance received from ESMA, and we are committed to further increase our support and compliance across the markets for the industry benefit and consumer and customer trust again. So thank you so much.
It's a great honor for Al Batha and for Global Food Industries to be recognized as a leader in this critically important and growing industry with our two brands. Al Batha realizes that part of our value system is building trust with all stakeholders and most importantly with the consumers. So it's something we're very proud of, that we have worked so closely with His Excellency's Ministry, and salute Dubai's leading role that they're playing in setting the global framework, regulatory framework for the halal global industry. And we thank the ESMA team for the great working relationship so far, and we look forward to continuing to do so, as we've got many more consumer brands that we would like to have certified as well in the near future. So thank you again.